Hi, this video is for teachers of this unit. I'm Megan Medley and I teach Lit and Comp 1 and 2 at Mountain View High School. So for this lesson, lesson 2 of week 4, I'm going to ask you to create your own video to go over the requirements between now and the end of the unit. I've created two pathways, as you can tell, for this unit, one being for standard students and one for honors. So with the standard pathway, the prompt has four sources provided for the student. And in an honors pathway, we've only provided one source per prompt so that they have to find the rest of their research. I've created an assignment sheet that you can tweak to fit your purpose and your goals for this unit. So in the assignment sheet for standard, what I created was that they have to find one additional source using the library databases. Obviously, using the library databases, they will be credible. However, they still need to evaluate it to make sure it fits their purpose and that the source is recent enough for their topic, using that CRAP test to determine if it's a good source for their research assignment. At the honors level, what I'm suggesting is that they have to find the rest of their research, that they got one provided source for them. And what I'm suggesting is that they find at least four, I think I put 5 additional sources. So I teach honors at Mountain View for 10th grade. And I had my students do a very similar project to this during the closures from March through June of 2020. And my students found 7 total sources. So you can adapt the number of sources to whatever you want for both standard and honors. If you want your standard students to find more than one additional source, that's great. If you want your honors students to find more or less, just adjust the number on the assignment sheet. And then for standard, what I probably would propose is that you just allow them to complete each entry in the template. What I'm going to suggest for honors is that after they use the template for each annotated bibliography, at the end of the unit, they need to remove the template and actually put it in a more perfect MLA format. That would include taking away the little headers for citation, academic summary, evaluation, and then alphabetizing each entry. But I think for a standard student, they might find that step a little daunting if they're not in the classroom with the teacher. So that's up to your discretion as well, what you want them to do there. For lesson 2 of this week, because there's going to be variation in what each teacher wants their students to do, I'm going to ask you to create your own video to introduce the assignment, what the expectations are, how many sources you want them to find, and so forth, just to give them a preview of the next couple of weeks, and then introduce lesson 3. So in lesson 3, if you watch my lesson, I'm having both at the standard and honors level. Students are finding one library database source that is credible and useful for their purpose of their research prompt, and they're following the process of copying the MLA citation and formatting it correctly into the assignment sheet. They are writing an academic summary and an evaluation paragraph. At the standard level, I'd highly recommend that they still use the Sum It Up template and the evaluation worksheet to help them write their academic summary and their evaluation paragraph. At the honors level, you can kind of determine based on your individual class and students if you think they need the template or not, or if you want to just suggest that now that they've had the skill of writing an academic summary twice and an evaluation paragraph twice, they might be able to simply just write them because they might have mastered the skill already. So those are all things that you need to determine. Please look at the assignment sheet that I created for you and tweak it however you see fit. Please create a video for this lesson. I did not create a video for lesson 2 because I don't want to state something that's not going to fit with your purpose. And if you have any questions for me, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Megan Medley. It's spelled Megan. Medley is Medley. You can email me at my school email anytime with questions regarding this module. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.